Hey, everyone! I'm so excited to jump into the wild world of quantum mechanics with you today. We're going to explore 4 key ideas that make quantum physics so fascinating and honestly, kind of weird. First up, we've got Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Then we'll look at superposition and qubits. After that, we'll get into the spooky world of entanglement. And finally, we'll wrap it up with quantum tunneling. Now, I know these might sound like big, scary terms, but don't worry, I promise I will make them easy for you. Okay, let's start with Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It states that in the subatomic world, a particle's position and momentum cannot both be precisely measured at the same time. Imagine you're trying to take a picture of a super-fast car. If you want a clear shot of where it is, your picture will be blurry because the car's moving. But if you want to know how fast it's going, you'll get a sharp picture of a blurry car. But in the quantum world, particles can be in multiple states at once. It's like if you could be both sitting on your couch and running a marathon at the same time. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle shows that in the quantum world, we deal with probabilities rather than certainties. This probabilistic nature is also what makes quantum computing possible. Consequently, unlike regular computer bits that are either 0 or 1, qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is why quantum computers have the potential to be so powerful for certain types of problems. They can process multiple possibilities simultaneously. It's like, having a computer that can think of all the possible chess moves at once. Now let's get really weird with entanglement. Entanglement is a phenomenon where 2 particles become so deeply connected that the state of one instantly affects the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, and for good reason. This strange interconnectedness leads to surprising behaviors in the quantum world. Now let's talk about another fascinating phenomenon called quantum tunneling. This is where particles have a chance to pass through energy barriers that would be impossible to cross in classical physics. Imagine throwing yourself at a brick wall over and over, and then suddenly finding yourself on the other side. This isn't magic. It's because particles also behave like waves, and these waves can sometimes leak through barriers. This effect is actually used in some electronics and could be super useful in quantum computers. Wow, we've covered a lot of mind-bending stuff today. From the uncertainty principle to superposition, entanglement, and quantum tunneling. Remember, the universe is way weirder and more wonderful than we ever imagined. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the quantum world around us.